First release, what we're going to do is when you're sitting on a chair. The attachment that you want is the soft head attachment. So go ahead and put that soft head attachment in. Turn it on to a 1 or a 2 speed. So the tibialis anterior muscle, it runs from here, this upper portion of the leg. Here's your bone right here. So you'll feel your shin bone along here, just on the edge of that. So if you go onto the outside edge of that shin bone, then this meat area right here is the tibialis anterior muscle. There's some other muscles out here too that we can hit out here on the side. This is basically what we want to get right here is this muscle here. We're also going to work a little bit on the front of the ankle, and that's why we have the soft head attachment. So we're actually going to start on the tendons of the ankle, and we're just going to hover here just for a minute or so. And just go real lightly, because if you push hard, it'll bounce. So just barely hover over this area, and the vibration will kind of help separate any type of fascial restrictions that you have in there. Kind of the front of the ankle right here. Kind of go side to side, back and forth like this. Yep, see I was pressing too hard there. You really got to hover it because you don't want to press down. It'll just jump up and down, and it's just this basic vibration that we're getting on the front of the ankle. And this, if you slide your foot forward and you see how I'm kind of pushing my foot down, that angle gives these a little bit of a stretch. So by getting this pulsing action of the integrator is going to kind of open up the connective tissue in there. Then you're going to run up and down here like this. Up and down the entire length of the tibialis anterior muscle, like so. Do that for about a minute or so, and then you're going to want to come across, kind of cross fiber like this. You'll know it when you hit the bone because it'll want to bounce off. So you just come right to the edge of that bone and just go back and forth, this cross fiber manner all the way down. And again, when you start getting closer to the ankle, then that's when you're going to want to kind of lighten up and hover the integrator more as you get down there. But then when you're up here, it's fine to kind of press into it. If you press too hard, then it bounces like that. So you'll know what your limitation is based off of what you're pressing.